Agas. Agas fires. And the outside shooting from PC Gilmore, that is keeping them in the game.
Yes, and that has got to be fixed because right now, ang PC Gilmore struggling on the offensive end. Alam ng Cebuana who they should defend against. It's Lastimosa, it's Acosta, it's Mahang. Pero guys like Agas, hitting a three-pointer like that, kailangan ng PC Gilmore yun.
Whoa! A solid back kick ni Mandani. Bagsak dun si Agas. Sabi ni Maligsi kay Mandani, ako na bahala. Ano pakialam? Kaya ako na kami magsabong dalawa. Alright, here's Pangahan. Inasa, first thing. Tapos ito bitawan Agas. Yes, sir!
Back to back, three-pointers by Agas already.